This is a stick that sticks use for beating my students, and they also fear this stick, but they don't fear to me. I don't know why they don't fear me except my stick. So I used to sticks to control them. This is so it's so hard. So if someone get any beat of this stick, you can understand that what is it. By the way, but I'm not those types of teacher who also beating their students for a long time. But I'm just using this to understand that I'm very strict. I will beat you. By the way, but this sticks is nice, and without this stick I cannot feel that I'm a teacher. So when I get this stick and I'm using this stick to in front of my students, that time I can feel that I am a teacher. I am sir. So I get this feeling by using this stick. So without this sticks I'm gonna a teacher.